YouTube? It's your girl Brooklyn Therese, and I'm back at it again with another video. As you can tell by the title, one of my friends did my makeup. So y'all are gonna see how she achieved this look and all the products she used. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Y'all like this or what? be snatched and attached and period. I know you still living your life. So Kiki is gonna be applying Queen D's lip gloss made by her cousin Dearica Myers. She got an Instagram.
Yep.
We're gonna put her information in the description box.
All right.
So this is the finished look that she did. So this is gonna be my portion of the video where I give constructive criticism. Kiki is right on side of me, so she's listening, y'all. So, first we're gonna start with the eyebrows. You know what I'm saying? So she did okay on the eyebrows. I don't like the way they look because I do my eyebrows different. She used a pencil and I normally use a pomade, so that's probably why I don't like the way they look. But I don't really like the way my eyebrows look. But both my eyebrows never look the same, so my eyebrows just they do their own thing. So for the eyeshadow, she went with the theme shades of blue. So we did a whole bunch of blue stuff. So with the eyes, I like the glitter. She did good on the glitter. I really like the glitter. But you could do like some more like blending it. Because like right,
see the difference?
Yeah, on this eye, like you could tell that like it looked like a line. You know what I'm saying? So
I'll fix that.
We're gonna go in with the blending next time. I like she did good with the under eye. I like when people do color on the bottom lashes. That be looking good. The contour, it looks okay. We could work with the contour. Highlight popping per usual. So I have on Queen D's Cosmetic lip gloss. I did line my lips before. Well, Kiki lined my lips before she put the gloss on. The gloss smells like watermelon. I will leave her information in the description box if y'all want to order some Queen D's Cosmetic lip gloss. Really all I gotta say, she did a really good job. She took her time. So super proud of her for doing that, because I am not ready to do anybody's makeup yet besides my own. So I'm gonna applaud her for doing somebody else's makeup, because I ain't ready to do nobody else's makeup yet. You feel me? So if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe. So I will leave Kiki's YouTube channel in the description box. She's only gonna be posting her doing my makeup. I will leave her YouTube channel, her Instagram, and whatever other social she wants y'all to know. So y'all make sure to go give her a follow, give her a sub. She's gonna be posting new content as well. So I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.